Let's actually go to the index, see if I can find the index chart quick. Crap, do I have the index chart here? Must be that one. Yeah, the most it has basically, I'd had a few there, 5, but generally within the last 2 cycles, or even the last 3 cycles, that was obviously, this was Rona, right? So don't, no, there's 18. Rona was only 1 big candle in March 2020. But for the most part, literally over the last 3 cycles, obviously you have your kind of capitulation here in 1819, but for the most part, from the last double top in the last cycle to basically now, we've never had more than 4 successive red months. Obviously here I think you had 5, but digressing and kind of going back to my point is that hopefully, kind of, if this hasn't got a double top though on the monthly, where kind of obviously last time we had a double top, this time we got clear bearish divergence, double drive of bearish divergence on the monthly. The issue now lies in that obviously we would want the rebound here, like these 2 monthly candles up, or a monthly candle up at least. Another fifth candle would be kind of heading back to like 2018 times, illiquid markets where kind of it could just be sent down. Ideally for spot bags, kind of on Bitcoin, not too concerned because you buy lower. And for those that want to accumulate more Bitcoin, bar that, yeah, I'm hoping that this monthly close then kind of gives us a relief. We get a little bit of relief next month. Yeah. So just something I noticed, obviously, we've had 4 monthly red candles now. And also as well, yeah, kind of double drive our monthly bearish divergence, literally from 70k, 103, 104, 5k, and then obviously the 126k, 126, 125, well, 126k all-time high. So something just I'm looking at for now. So hoping that we could still go lower. My hope and kind of the hope here is just that this is kind of the last red monthly candle, at least for now. Give us a little bit of respite next month, and then can continue down. Because if we went November, December, January, yeah, because February in 2022 was an up month as well, and February in March. So this was an up month of 12%, and then an up month of basically 5% on the candle. So I'm thinking we are there. If you're looking at the kind of, if the cycle plays out exactly how it did last time, obviously we don't have the double top. We kind of do have the double top here anyway, but not really in kind of how I would think. And also the monthly divergence. So yeah, kind of, if this plays out again, kind of for anyone who's looking at the asymmetric or symmetric kind of nature of how this has worked out and played out again, when people call the 4-year cycle dead, if anyone wants to stick to that thesis, my hope is that yeah, February and March are a little bit up and we get the respite, kind of a little bit, even if it just gets back to 90k, 93k, 95k again, we get some respite next month, or kind of after this monthly close, kind of into next month's candle. But yeah, five red candles in a row wouldn't be good in my opinion. But yeah, that was just something I was noticing on the monthly.